Hi guys, I hope you guys are having a great day. I am coming back to you with another video. Today I decided that I would create a feature wall or a focal point wall in my living room. I had some old wood from a previous project, so I thought to myself, let me give this a try and see what I can come up with. All right guys, the wood that I'm using is about 1.5 inches width or thickness that I'm using, and of course I'm using my old handy dandy nail stapler. At this point I am literally thinking to myself, what have I gotten myself into? And I should have paid attention in middle school and math class when they were talking about protractors and protruce and 90-degree and 45-degree angles. Like, who would have ever thought that I would need that right now? But nevertheless, the educator in me is going to continue. I'm going to press on and I'm going to complete this project. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this has motivated you guys to create a focal point wall in your home and to give it a wow factor. All right, stay safe, my loves, and thank you all for watching.